Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel an appointment booking in Hostinger website builder. I will also show you how to send this cancellation email in this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to cancel an appointment booking on, click on Manage Store button. And this way, you automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to cancel an appointment, simply go to Orders. Then click on or open the appointment you want to cancel, for example, this one. And then make sure that you are on the correct appointment to cancel by checking the customer name, address, and email address. And to cancel this appointment, simply go to More Actions and select Cancel Order. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Send a cancellation email to your customer. By the way, you can preview the cancellation email. And this is the email that your customer will receive. It is a cancellation email. Now click on Cancel Order. As you see, order cancelled. And this is how to cancel an order. Let's go back to the orders page. As you see, this appointment now it is cancelled. And this is how to cancel an appointment booking in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.